The Hazardous Substances Regulatory Authority is an agency in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce. We have a primary responsibility to ensure consumer protection and that we protect the environment, people, as well as property from the harmful impacts of ionizing radiation. We create an enabling environment in Jamaica to allow for the importation, the deployment, and the use of advanced technologies throughout industries. And through the use of these advanced technologies, we're talking about using ionizing radiation in the form of X-rays, as well as gamma radiation coming from radioactive materials or radionuclides. Jamaica has a long history of utilizing radioactive materials in research and development, as well as in terms of diagnostics, in medicine for treatment and diagnosis of diseases, as well as of different aspects throughout society. We place so much emphasis on ensuring that our micro, small, and medium enterprises are able to grow and they're able to evolve and meet the demands of the global market space, where they're looking on the trade of their commodities in terms of exportation of fruits and vegetables, which may need a bit of sterilization using gamma radiation, or even looking at development of new plant varieties, or managing different pests and diseases using irradiation. We create that enabling environment to allow for the deployment of such advanced technologies in Jamaica, which most of our micro, small, and medium enterprises benefit from. Some of the key areas which we play a major role in ensuring the level of growth and diversification of services and products include agriculture as a primary area. How do we meet the demands and the needs of the growing population in terms of ensuring that level of food security and ensuring food safety? And this is where some of the advanced technologies are being utilized by a number of our partners and a number of institutions in Jamaica, so farmers can have access to improved varieties of plants that are resistant to pests and diseases, that has higher productivity and produce higher volume, higher nutrient value in their particular foods. And we're also looking at how you manage different pests like the fruit fly, manage pests that impact on human beings such as mosquitoes, which is a major vector for the transmission of human-related diseases. Another critical areas in terms of health and wellness. How do we utilize ionizing radiation and advanced technologies to boost the quality of care, to drive health tourism, as well as improve the treatment outcomes across our population? The HSRA has facilitated the importation of significantly advanced instrumentation, such as linear accelerators in the treatment of cancer. We are looking on the registration and certification of dental facilities, a number of diagnostic facilities, and not just in terms of the service that they offer, but to ensure that level of safety for the operators within those facilities, the very patients who seek those services, as well as the surrounding community, properties, as well as ensure that it has no negative impact on the environment. Other areas we have to consider is international security and border control. Such technology are used extensively by customs agencies, by a number of entities who are bringing commodities into the country to ensure that illicit substances, illicit weapons do not enter the country illegally, and we can safeguard and ensure the population is protected at all throughout the different facets of life. So we do play a major role in supporting and transforming micro, small, and medium enterprises, because you need to have access to high quality good planting materials if you're in agro-processing. Health is very, very important in any society, and it's important for a country to have the necessary diagnostic and treatment outcomes and capabilities to ensure the health and the safety of their population. And equally, national security is very important, because we have to ensure that the environment and the people are protected from any illegal activities, and to ensure that we create that space where every person can feel a part of the growth and the development of Jamaica, so Jamaica can be the place of choice to live, work, raise their families, and do business.